So you don't have to memorize any of this stuff because you're like, oh my gosh, it's all going over my head, right? It did for me as well, but just know that that's why we provide education on the front end, but also on the back end after you get it. Hey, this is Lance McGowan and
Molly Simpson.
And today we're talking about the Natural Solutions Kit featuring 3 amigos, the On Guard hand sanitizer spray, the On Guard toothpaste, as well as the On Guard foaming hand wash. Exciting! That's right. But there's a problem. I gotta be a downer for a little bit. Alright, the problem is that the modern approach to health masks symptoms and doesn't address the root cause, which is no bueno.
The solution is a Natural Solutions Kit because you can learn how to be independent with you and your family's health priorities by addressing the root cause of whatever you're going through.
And that's really important. We don't just cover up stuff temporarily. We actually give our body what it needs, let our body take care of itself, and really get to the root of what's going on. And speaking of getting to the root of what's going on, I see a spray right there that's pretty awesome.
Yes,
you want to tell us about
definitely. So this spray is a hand sanitizer misting spray. This is rather new. We just came out with this last year, but it is awesome. And what it does, it actually kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. And it's great because you could just throw this in your purse, spray it on your hands. Sorry, didn't mean to get it all over your lamp.
Got some aromatherapy right there.
Yes, because this is that On Guard blend that we talked about before with the wild orange and the cinnamon and the clove in it. Great for moms and grandmas like myself, for the kids to spray down the strollers and the grocery store carts and public restrooms. So instead of using something that's full of chemicals, this is amazing. And my daughter just started using it and she just said she just loves it. She knows that she's able to kill those germs naturally as she's out and about with her little boy.
That's right. And I know for me, like, it took the longest time for when I was in public restrooms not to use the public hand soaps. I had to like stop my hand. And so to have something like this that's natural and does the same thing but doesn't, have all the toxins and all that stuff is really important. And then also when it basically is put on your hand, it like flash dries, so it dries really quickly, and so it's nice. And then it has like a nice little barrier on your hands to help protect you from other stuff that may be out and about that's not so good. Boom, there we go. Love that spray. So get your spray on. Other than that, let's talk about the On Guard toothpaste. So this is a great whitening toothpaste, and it uses the proprietary doTERRA On Guard essential oil blend of wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary that cleans and freshens your breath. And myrrh essential oils in here, which provides, it's very soothing to the mouth and the gums and the throat. And then peppermint essential oil is combined with doTERRA On Guard essential oil blend in here and leaves your breath feeling minty, fresh, with a little bit of cinnamon up in there too, And then this also helps to keep your teeth looking clean and healthy. And then it also has a sweetener that tastes great while helping to keep your teeth and gums clean. And then finally, this has a natural abrasive in it that helps remove plaque and tooth stains, but it's gentle enough not to damage tooth enamel, which is going to be really important. And I use this with an electric toothbrush because it just really helps to polish my teeth really nicely. And then sometimes I'll use, where are you at, On Guard? I'll use On Guard. So I'll put a little bit of the toothpaste on my electric toothbrush, and then I'll put a drop of On Guard on it, and it's almost like having a mouthwash plus a toothpaste, and it's a very, I would say, intense, invigorating, clean experience that leaves my mouth feeling really clean, really fresh. And again, the electric toothbrush just polishes my teeth so nicely to kind of get rid of those stains and other items. So highly recommend the toothpaste, but then also the On Guard blend that comes in the kit as well.
That sounds like a great tip, Lance. I love that tip. And let's now talk about our last product, and this is the On Guard foaming hand wash. So this is amazing because you can put this at every sink in the house, your kitchen and your bathrooms, wherever you wash your hands. It's a natural hand wash. The key ingredients and benefits in here is that it cleans your hands naturally without drying or irritating sensitive skin. And it also is pH balanced to protect the delicate moisture barrier of your skin. with the spice and the citrus aroma in there and that On Guard blend, it really invigorates the senses during and after use. So the power of the doTERRA On Guard essential oils enhances the cleansing function to take it to a new level, and it sets it apart from any commercial brand on the market today. I super love this. I don't like using anything in a public restroom because I know that they're full of chemicals, and I'm just happy that I have this for my home, my family, for my grandkids, and they can soap away if they want to.
That's right, and actually this kit comes with 2 hand wash foaming dispensers and a actual refill bottle, so you actually can pour that in there and it'll be enough for both of these. And the kitchen, bathroom, or kind of a couple places definitely to have one, and then you can add additional ones to your order as well, so you can put it in like the downstairs bathroom, or at least the the living room bathroom, and then the bedroom bathroom, and then other places too that may need it. I love this. It has the foam that comes out is very soft and smooth to the skin as well, and it really gives you that feeling that you're really cleaning your hands, and you are because it's using the On Guard blend again, because this is all part of the On Guard family, and it's such a great oil in general, but it's also great when it comes in other products that are more practical, because you don't have to learn really how to use toothpaste. You already know how to brush your teeth. And hand wash, you just wash your hands. So these are really easy to swap out with what you're already doing, and that's what makes these such a great option and more affordable, because it's like, hey, I'm already going to spend money on hand wash and toothpaste and sanitizing mists or sprays or other stuff, so why not just use something natural instead?
Right, and with doTERRA's loyalty program, then it makes it even more affordable. So why doTERRA? Why doTERRA, Lance, for you? Why'd you choose doTERRA?
Yeah, I chose doTERRA because they're the largest, most trusted, and most transparent essential oil company that I was able to find. They're debt-free, so there's no outside interest or funding that's influencing them, so they can just focus on developing the world's highest quality essential oils and other products as well, because they're not just an essential oil company, they have a lot of wellness products. And then the founders have over 150 years of experience, and so this is not their first rodeo when it comes to the essential oil industry. And then there's the CPTG quality standard, which stands for Certified Pure Therapeutic Grade, which allows you to get beyond organic quality with regards to the essential oils, and allows you to have more consistent results with each and every use, which is so important. We don't skimp out, hopefully, on our house or our cars or the clothes or vacations we go on. We want to get, yes, the best deal, but we want the high quality there to make sure we have a quality experience. And the oils and products are no different, really.
Exactly, yeah, that's why I chose doTERRA too. And why would you choose doTERRA? Why would you choose to purchase through maybe from me or from Lance here?
Yeah, that's a common question. Some people are like, should I go out of state? Should I go online? Like, who should I choose? Because you definitely don't want to just go through doTERRA.com, because then you'll be assigned somebody you don't know. But I know when it comes to us, you've used the oils and been teaching over 5 years. I've been teaching about the oils over 4 years. And so we have a lot of experience using the products, being a product of the product, and really living out that wellness lifestyle. So we're kind of like teaching, what they say, practice what you preach, but we're just kind of like practicing what we teach instead. So that's important. We also have a very whole food, plant-based focus on eating right, because when we eat right and use natural products as well as essential oils, they really enhance and compound our benefits that we receive, and that's why we focus on that so much. I mean, we teach green smoothie classes, we have lots of information on whole food recipes, there's lots of other options there too. And then also, to make sure people don't feel rejected or ignored, we have very quick email and text response time to our clients, because that's so important. And I know a lot of businesses within 48 hours is kind of like a best practice. But within 24 hours is world-class, and really doing customer service with excellence, and that's what we try to strive to do. That's what was taught to us, and that's what we teach our customers and also our team members as well. And just being able to respond to people in a timely fashion, I think is very important. More than a transaction, we're building a relationship with you to help walk alongside you in your wellness journey, and so that's going to be very important too, because we're all at different stages and places in our wellness journey, and it's so important to have somebody alongside, not pushing or pulling, but alongside, that can really guide us in the right direction.
Right, and that's why doTERRA chose this business model to sell from one person to another person, so that the people that are most passionate about using natural solutions they can help and teach other people person to person. So instead of selling in major health food stores or advertising on TV and billboards, they chose this business model. So each person that wants to help educate others and support others in their wellness journey, that we can do that as well. So I think that's an amazing business model, especially with something as important as our health.
Yeah, exactly. And, you know, buying oils at a retail store like Whole Foods, Sprouts, Trader Joe's, I mean, in order to use the oils, you either have to ask the cashier, which they'd probably tell you to Google it, or you'd Google it anyway. And Googling something is missing the one critical element that all human beings need. It's a need, which is the need for relationship. And that's the need to feel connected and feel like you have a sense of belonging, and to feel like when you ask something, you can get an answer that answers your question, right? And is based hopefully on facts and truth and seeking understanding, hopefully all that. But I mean, that's going to be important. I think that's the missing element with regards to just a transaction on Amazon or even at a retail store that doTERRA avoids by just having that person-to-person relationship.
Right. And, you know, whether it's that email or that phone call or that text, or locally if it's coming to a local class, or we do online classes, then you're really feeling that family connection. And we always tell people when they join doTERRA that we're welcomed into our doTERRA family.
That's right. And some people may be asking, all right, that sounds good, Malia and Lance, but why now? Why would I get a kit right now? I don't need one.
There is a lot of other things you can spend your money on, but Murphy's Law says that anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So do you wait to get car insurance after you get into an accident?
No, I think that's illegal.
Right, and it wouldn't be so good because you wouldn't be covered, right? So let's be proactive with our health, not reactive. And what this kit offers is that you can actually receive 100 product credits, and you save, get this, $228.95 with this kit.
Nice.
The membership fee, which is normally $35 a year, which is not much at all, but it's actually waived when you get this kit, so you don't even pay that. And you start off getting 15% back on anything you buy in the form of essential oils. So you can build up product point credits to redeem them for free stuff. So it's pretty amazing business model and a loyalty program for our health online that we can purchase with this company.
Yeah, and most people start off as a wholesale customer and they get 25% off. And then when you join the Loyalty Rewards program, which is completely optional, but about a third of people do it, that gives you, with this kit, 15% back on any future purchase. So you get 40% back on anything, with the option of getting up to 55% off over a year's time. And we talk about that in the Loyalty Rewards program in our wellness consult, and that's just a way to kind of learn basically how to use your oils and maximize your membership benefits. So you don't have to memorize any of this stuff because you're like, oh my gosh, it's all going over my head, right? It did for me as well, but just know that that's why we provide education on the front end, but also on the back end after you get a kit. So you don't have to memorize anything, you don't have to feel overwhelmed, you can just know what's going to go on. We have like PDFs and conversations basically that cover all that. And so that's basically how it all works in a nutshell. But that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit the subscribe button to catch more videos like this in the future, and most importantly, click the link in the description below so you can learn about your kit options and see if this kit is a good fit for you and your family. And this is the kit that I would have gotten had I known that I would have 100 product credits and $228 in savings. I mean, it was covered in the class that I went to, but it still went over my head. And I was just like, I don't know what essential oils are. I know what olive oil is. I know what coconut oil is. But had I known and be able to go back in time and tap myself on the shoulder, I'd be like, get the Natural Solutions kit, Lance, because
all of this.
I ended up getting all of this anyway. That's why I say that. And I didn't get the savings and I didn't get the 100 product credits. And so I missed out. But you don't have to miss out. So that's why we're letting you know now. Other than that, hey, we'll see you in the next video.